Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do some more speaking practice. I know there are many reasons why you cannot speak English. It can be a lack of confidence, shyness, fear of making mistake, and problem with pronunciation. Whatever the reason is, as long as you learn how to fix it, you will get better and better. In this video, we will be sharing some fun and engaging conversations to help you improve your English skills. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, listening to and repeating these conversations will help you build your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and boost your confidence when speaking English. And remember, repetition is key, so be sure to watch this video multiple times and practice saying the phrases out loud. So let's get started. Our first conversation is between teacher and student about future plans. Teacher: Good morning, Nancy. How are you? Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you? I'm doing fine. What are your plans after the class 12th board examination? Well, ma'am, I'm planning to pursue English literature. I thought so. I know how much you love English. So, did you decide from which college you want to pursue English honors? Yes, ma'am. I have made a list of few colleges. They are quite good, but ultimately it will depend how much I manage to score in my board exams. I'm sure you will fare well in the exams, and I'm also pretty sure that you will score the highest mark. I hope so, ma'am. I wish you all the best for your board results and future too. Thank you for your encouragement. Next conversation is between teacher and student about homework. Teacher: Good morning, students. I hope everyone has completed the history homework I had given yesterday. Good morning, ma'am. I could not complete my homework. Raj: What happened? Why haven't you completed your homework? I'm sorry, ma'am. I had a severe headache yesterday. Well, I will excuse you for today. Try to take your friend's help and complete it by the end of day, latest by tomorrow morning. Okay, ma'am. I'll try to complete the homework by recess. Make sure you do not repeat this, Raj. All these will count for your internal marks. I'm sorry, ma'am. I will not repeat this again. Thank you so much for understanding. Our next conversation is about taking leave. Anjali: Good afternoon, sir. May I come in? Good afternoon, Anjali. What brings you here at this time? Sir, I wanted to find out if I could take leave for a few days in the next week. How many days of leave do you want and why? I need leave from Wednesday to Friday as my elder sister is getting married. Oh, is it? I wish her all the best on her new journey. But don't you have your half yearly examinations starting next week? Yes, sir, but we don't have exams on the days I need leave. Okay, do you think you will get enough time to study amidst the wedding? I have completed all my revision beforehand so that I won't have to miss my sister's wedding functions, and I am fully prepared for the remaining exams. Good, that's impressive. Please write a letter mentioning the reason and the dates on which you require leave. I'll forward it to the principal. Once he signs it, you can go ahead and take leave. Okay, sir, I will write the letter and bring it to you tomorrow. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Next conversation between a teacher and students meeting after a long time. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. I know you. Aren't you Dhruv Sehgal of Batch 2012? Yes, ma'am. I'm so happy that you recognize me. How are you? I'm good. What about you? Where are you these days? What are you doing? I'm doing good, ma'am. Just came home a few days back for a family function. I'm working in Canada for a foreign bank. Oh wow, that's so good to hear. I knew you would land up in some banking jobs as you were so good with numbers. It's all your constant guidance back in school that motivated me to take up the job. Thank you for all your love and support. Now, our next conversation is something different. Here is a situation. Jane refuses Bob's invitation to go to the cinema because she has to attend a family gathering. Let's let's start our conversation. Bob. Hi Jane, how are you? Just fine. Thanks Bob. I was wondering, are you free this Saturday? Oh, I have a family gathering in the evening. Why? What did you have in mind? I was thinking of going to the cinema with you. There's a good movie to watch, but if you are not available, well, it sounds like fun, but actually, I will be very busy on Saturday. What do you have to do? I have to pick up my grandparents at the airport in the morning, then help my parents prepare for the gathering in the afternoon. Okay, yes, you will be very busy. But thanks a lot for asking me. Maybe next time? That's fine, we'll make it next time. Why not? Asking Andrew to go with you? You live in the same apartment with him, don't you? I have, but he already made an appointment with Lucy. They plan to play bowling at the leisure center. At the leisure center. I see. Well, I would be delighted to have you over and join the gathering. What a great idea. Thank you. What should I be there? You can come about 7 o'clock. All right then. Great idea. I'll be expecting you. Lucy and Pratik talk about same-sex marriage. Lucy, wait till you hear this. Ted just got engaged to Jack. Pratik, you are pulling my leg. They are just friends, Lucy. They are a couple, Pratik. You can ask Ted yourself if you don't trust me. Well, I don't think it is polite to ask people about their sexual orientation. I don't think so. Today, the gay community is more open. Have you heard of LGBT? It stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender. Yes, I know. I just think it is their private life and they will tell me when they are ready. You are too busy studying. You never have time to see them. What do you think of gay marriage, Lucy? People should be able to do whatever they want, but I can't imagine if my parents were both men or both women. I know anything that is different from your own experience can be hard to imagine. Yes, but as long as both parents love the child, everything will be fine no matter the sex of the parents. I agree, and speaking personally, people like Ted and Jack sure have the right to be happy. That's so sweet of you. So this is all about today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.